Air ducts are the lungs of your home, circulating air to keep your space comfortable. Pipes and trunks connect to your furnace, distributing air throughout your home. Transitions ensure efficient airflow, saving energy and reducing bills. The plenum distributes air, playing a crucial role in your HVAC system's effectiveness. The AHU controls air quality, integrating heating, cooling, and filtering components. Flues vent harmful gases outside, crucial for gas HVAC system safety. Air ducts circulate air by drawing existing room air out as fresh, temperature-controlled air is introduced. This cycle involves supply vents distributing air across rooms and return vents pulling air back into the system for recirculation or release. Cleaning your ducts removes contaminants, improving indoor air quality. Dynasty Ducts provides the air cleaning services you need for a safe and comfortable home. Don't compromise on air quality. Contact Dynasty Ducts now to get your free quote and start breathing cleaner air in your home.